Hello guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect with Bitcoin and Ethereum to happen within the next hours and days. So let's start off. Let me show you here on the daily time frame. The RSI, the stochastic RSI, is pretty low, and usually what happens if the RSI is low, it goes up again. Let's switch to another time frame. Let me show you on the 4-hourly time frame. We are trading within this ascending triangle, and an ascending triangle, as you can see here, the price moves in, then we have a consolidation phase, and then usually it's much more likely to break out to the upside. And we have been trading within this triangle for quite some time now. So as you can see here, we moved in it, then we tried to break out of this 28.8k resistance line, which is a really strong resistance line because we had a lot of rejections. And as of right now, we are trading around this red support line. So what can we expect? You know, it's the Easter weekend, and the big players, I mean, to make a big move in the price, you have to sell or buy a lot of Bitcoin. So the big players will usually not trade if there's a public holiday. So the Tuesday will be interesting because then a holiday is over and they could start trading. What's also very interesting is on the 12th of April, there will be the inflation data from the USA, which also could lead to some volatility and to some huge price moves. So let me show you what's going on with Ethereum. With Ethereum, we have reached the price target of this blue line here at about $1,912. Congrats if you took the trade that I told you, and now we are moving downwards again to reach, actually we already reached this former resistance line, which could actually not the resistance line, it's an area, this green resistance area, which can now act as support. And actually we are moving an descending channel here, as you can see, and the descending channel is more likely to break out to the upside again at some point. So we could basically go down here, trade around here until, let's say, Tuesday. Then maybe there's a big move again, because as you can see, the RSI is also very low on the 4-hourly time frame, and the price target, if we break out of here, would be here, so at about $1,912. So guys, that's what's going on. If you want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.